Of all the lions we've seen, these two have the closest bond.
Tarzan and Tanya have been in this cage at the circus for 8 years, all of their lives.
Now we're going into the circus to try and get these animals. We're going to rescue 9 tigers and Tanya and Tarzan.
Tarzan is somehow looking subdued and there's something wrong with his hip. Someone at the circus has just told us Tarzan was having a fight with the tiger and Tanya defended him. Tanya's quite tiny, but she's fought her little heart out. Clearly these two have been through enormous trauma together.
Tanya and Tarzan stepped out of that circus cage and no other animal was going to go back into it. And this is over in Guatemala.
At ADI, we want to change the world for animals. We show governments that if they ban animal circuses, we will rescue the animals. Our goal is to get Tarzan and Tanya to the best level of health that we can and get them to our sanctuary in South Africa.
Today is the first day Tanya and Tarzan will ever walk on grass. Tarzan seems very, very hesitant, a bit cautious, and Tanya is clearly kind of guarding the territory.
Tanya's very keen to protect her Tarzan. Tarzan's in a lot of pain. So today, Tarzan is getting the help that he needs for his teeth.
Dr. Gonzalez is cleaning out the tooth, so he's cleaning out all the infection, and he's going to deaden the nerve, and this will save the tooth.
Tarzan's recovering now. The quality of his life should really start improving from today.
I don't think anything has given us as much joy than to see Tarzan play with a tyre. This is a complete transformation. For both Tarzan and Tanya, we can see the difference in their whole demeanour. You see a personality blossom. They become actually like kittens. They transform, enjoying life in the way that they should have all the way along.
We now are on the brink of flying 17 lions and tigers, including Tanya and Tarzan, to the ADI Wildlife Sanctuary in South Africa.
We're going from Guatemala to Mexico to Belgium to Qatar and then to South Africa. It's going to be a heck of a journey. We often say we're kind of the flight crew. The magic thing to keep Tarzan and Tanya happy and calm during the flight is lavender oil. They love lavender oil, it's very calming. There must be something to do with the change in air pressure, but they know when we're coming into land, and then everyone starts roaring. They're saying hello to Africa.
The sun's shining beautifully, and it's time for Tarzan and Tanya to enter their new home in Africa. Tarzan's looking a bit bewildered. He's padded off out into the enclosure.
Now we're going to get Tanya out quite quickly so they can both be together.
Tanya's out and she's fairly confident. She's exploring. She's a little cautious. This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Tanya and Tarzan spent their whole lives in a fearful, bare and barren environment. Now they have their own home, together, forever.